Watch your attitude. It's the first thing people notice about you. Our attitude towards life determines life's attitude towards us. Never let the fire die inside of you. Never let your spirit be crushed. You are beautiful and strong. Remember that. Pay close attention to people who don't clap when you win. The tiger and the lion may be more powerful, but the wolf doesn't perform in the circle. Start unknown, finish unforgettable. Successful people are always looking for opportunities to help others. Unsuccessful people are always asking, what's in it for me? Respect is learned, honesty is appreciated, trust is gained, loyalty is returned. Damaged people are dangerous, they know they can survive. If they stand behind you, protect them. If they stand beside you, respect them. If they stand against you, defeat them. People say a lot, so I watch what they do. The most dangerous person is the one who listens, thinks, and observes. Declare the past, diagnose the present, foretell the future. This world is a jungle. You either fight or run forever. You don't get the same me twice. The second version doesn't come with emotions. The two most powerful warriors are patience and time. I keep it real cause I'm not afraid to make enemies. Legends are born in the valley of struggle. Smart people know when to act stupid. Don't mistake my kindness for weakness. The beast in me is sleeping, not dead. The strongest hearts have the most scars. Whether in the jungle or in the ring, I will always be crowned king. My silence is enough because you can't afford for my roars. A fool is known by his speech, and a wise man is known by his silence. I asked an artist, how do you make such beautiful things from stone? He replied, beauty is already hidden there. I just remove the extra stone. Your happiness is hidden within you. Just remove your worries. It's during the storm you get to know who you are. Truth is more valuable if it takes you a few years to find it. Being too friendly sometimes invites a lot of disrespect. Your self-respect has to be stronger than your feelings. A fresh start isn't a place, it is a mindset. The struggle ends when gratitude begins. When fortune turns against you, even jelly breaks your teeth. I am who I am, not who you think I am, not who you want me to be. I am me. Hope is having a positive state of mind. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing, your attitude when you have everything. My dark days made me strong, or maybe I was always strong and they made me prove it. Every closed eye is not sleeping and every open eye is not seeing. God's plan is always for our good. This is the secret behind success of many people nowadays. Never lose hope. Struggle is the part of story. Don't allow yourself to become a prisoner of your mind. The only thing stopping you is you, positive mind. Never let the same snake bite you twice. Discipline the ability to execute regardless of how you feel. I love listening to lies when I know the truth. Karma says God removes people from your life because He heard the conversations that you didn't hear. In life, don't react, always respond. The only true wisdom is in knowing you know nothing. Learn to fight your own battles alone. The lion doesn't turn around when a small dog barks. Always be nice for no reason. Don't stop until you are proud. Only 3 types of people tell the truth: kids, the drunk, and the angry. Never forget those who helped you in your difficult times. Be careful who you tell your business to. I hope you win the war you tell no one about. Observe the thing that hurt you most, teach you the greatest lesson in life. The best revenge is to improve yourself. Pain always sharpens you. Growth only happens by moving forwards, not stepping backwards into safety. Don't be too honest in the world because straight trees are always chosen first for cutting. Fly above the negativity. No response is a response, and it's a powerful one. Be careful who you trust. Some enemies look like friends. Be humble, you won't stay fresh forever. Don't stop until you are proud. The hardest choices require the strongest wills. None can destroy iron, but its own dust can. Likewise, none can destroy a person, but his own mindset can. A wise man once said, without focus and direction, even a genius can't achieve anything. A puzzled mind creates problems which don't even exist, whereas a focused mind can do miracles. Work on your mindset. Mindset is everything. A hungry stomach, an empty pocket, and a broken heart can teach the best lesson of life. A wise man said, don't seek revenge. The rotten fruits will fall by themselves. I don't care what others think, I'm going to make it. No matter the economy of jungle, the lion will never eat grass. You versus you will always be your biggest fight. Great men are not born great, they grow great. A dog will look down when he is done wrong. A snake will look you right in your eyes. Character is revealed when pressure is applied. Don't let your emotions be your decision maker. Stop and pray. One moment in God's presence changes everything. ऑनरेबल व्यूअर्स, अगर आप मेरे चैनल को ग्रोथ देना चाहते हैं तो आप इस नीचे दिए गए सुपर थैंक्स बटन को क्लिक करके मेरे चैनल की मदद कर सकते हैं।